Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskies and sisters, to another reaction video on our reaction channel. And if this is your first time on this channel, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny comedy content. Yeah, funny content from TikTok. Basically, we're just trying to have a nice time, chill and laugh and be on some positive vibe. We don't do too much of it, you feel me? And then stick around. And if you like what we do, be sure to subscribe, join the family, join the gang. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Let's keep growing. I appreciate every subscription, every like, every comment, every view. I appreciate all of it. We are still on the dark humor edition, so let's check out some more dark humor and see if we can find some really crazy jokes on here.
In prison, why is the white guy scarier than the black guy?
Why?
Because the white guy did it.
Damn! right?
True.
Where did Lucy go after the bombing?
Where?
Everywhere. I got caught fucking a dead body by my entire family. My grandma's funeral was crazy.
Nah, that's not even funny. That's disgusting, bro. That's disgusting. How would you even bring yourself to make a crazy ass joke like that? That's disgusting, bro. That's disgusting.
What do you get a social serial killer for Christmas?
I don't know what
A gun?
A digital Ouija board.
I can see it. I can see it.
I got a joke for you.
Okay?
Why was 6 scared of 7?
Because
Why? Because 7, 8, 9. That's a pretty good joke. But do you know why 10 was scared? Why? Because it was in the middle of 9/11. Oh my God.
okay.
How come you never see gay people in wheelchairs?
Why?
Because you can't be a fruit and a vegetable at the same time.
How do Jewish pedophiles get kids?
How?
They say, hey kids, you want to buy some candy?
Chill.
The delivery was so bad. He didn't deliver the joke right.
Did you know that Paul Walker had dandruff?
No, I didn't.
I didn't either until I saw his head and shoulders in the glove compartment.
What do you call a disabled Chinese baby? Something Wong?
I heard that one before. That's the reason why I'm not like really laughing right now. But it's funny. It's funny. Something wrong. Hey, something wrong. I feel bad for every Chinese person whose last name or first name is Wong, because people shit on the name Wong, bro. That's crazy. I feel bad for you, man. I'm sorry if your name is Wong. I'm sorry, Wong.
What did a black woman name her 5 sons? Tyrone, 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 Tyrone. How does she differentiate them?
How?
She called them by their last names.
It's true, bro.
That as a brown skinned person, I take offense to that joke. Yo, that's crazy, bro.
Why are women like KFC?
Why?
After you're done with their breasts and thighs, you're left with a greasy box to put your bone in.
What's the difference
But we
between
like the
black people
bone.
and coal?
What?
What?
It's bad for the environment to burn coal.
Damn.
Can he say that joke?
Well, we'll jump him after this.
Bro, that's a very risky joke, my guy. Why would you do that? That's risky. Black people and coal. And then it's okay to burn coal. Wow. Nah, y'all taking risks with this joke. Y'all going too far with these jokes, bro. That's crazy, man. That's crazy, bro.
Between black people and coal.
What?
What?
It's bad for the environment to burn coal.
Damn.
Can he say that joke?
Well, we'll jump him after this.
Damn.
the fuck are you doing, Andrew?
You said to get rid of all the black guys.
Black ice. Motherfucker!
Hey, bro, how do you kill a ginger? Do you kill a ginger? What you mean by that? That's not even funny, bro.
What do you call a kid laying down in a classroom? Kill confirmed. What do you call 3 kids laying down in a classroom?
UAV.
Kill streak.
What's the similarity between a pillow and your mom?
What?
They both in my bed.
The pillow doesn't fight back.
That I can see myself using that one to insult someone. What's the difference between a pillow and your mom? What? They're both in my bed. I like that one. I'm keeping that one.
What is the leading cause of death in lesbians?
The dildo being stuck inside.
Finger stuck up there.
What? A finger.
How would that cause death? I like.
If the thumb was.
Why is it the thumb? Okay, so many questions. If you're using the thumb.
If the thumb was blue from diabetes, it could cause injury.
It could happen.
It could happen.
Why using your thumb, Alan?
Just say good job.
Yeah, who lost the roast battle now? You don't fuck with me, yeah? I'm the fucking King Kong in this bitch. I'm King Kong in this motherfucker. I run this whole business.
Has 2 wings and an arrow.
What?
A Chinese telephone. Wing, wing, a roll!
That's crazy, bro.
No, justice for Andrew, justice for Andrew.
Ring, ring, hello. Sounds more like Vietnamese than Chinese or like Thai. You know, like how you call like a Thai restaurant or like a Vietnamese restaurant, and they're like, I don't, something like that. Yeah, yeah, I do. I see it. I see it. I see it.
He didn't laugh. That's what I but fuck. I thought that one was going to get. All the one on back here, I thought that one was going to get you for show.
No, racist jokes don't really hit with me.
Just the guy who just did the gas bill joke.
What's an orphan's favorite toy?
What's an orphan's favorite toy? I don't know, a knife?
A boomerang. It comes back and like his parents.
Stop! That's not even, oh man, that's sad. That's not even funny. That's sad. That's sad, bro.
Have you heard of a reverse exorcism?
I think I was gonna say reverse cowgirl. Just shows you where my mind is at right now. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, now reverse cowgirl is fire still. If you know, you know.
It's when the devil tells the priest to get out of the child.
Do you know what Mrs. Doubtfire served?
I'm just gonna take a minute and let that one sink in. You know, like the devil telling a priest to get out of a child, because it's like a whole, I wouldn't say a conspiracy at this point, because like there is obviously some truth to it. If you know, you know. But that's just crazy, though. I'm just gonna put that one out there. That's crazy. If you know, you know.
I'm in prison for?
No.
Mail fraud. Do you know what Mrs. Doubtfire served time in prison for?
No.
Mail fraud.
I thought you were going to do like a Robin Williams impression.
Impersonation?
Yeah. Hello!
That would've been good. A man escaped from prison. What are his initials?
How would I know that?
SKP.
That's smart. That's smart. That's smart. That's smart.
Why are pirates called pirates? They just are.
I heard that one before.
You're making me snort.
I got one kind of like that.
What do you call a hunter without a nose or a body?
A nobody?
Nobody knows.
Yeah, okay.
You know why they call me Rooster, right? Because.
Men are such simple creatures, bro. Their wives or girlfriend probably think they're outside doing something wild, something crazy right now, but they're just here having the time of their life. They probably don't even get to do this as often as they would, because they would. But yeah, just simple in the woods, making a TikTok video, just laughing and just like how we are doing right now. I said you guys are looking at me through your screen. You're not here physically, but you're here digitally and spiritually type shit, you feel me? But yeah, nah, men are just simple creatures, bro. In my next life, I want to be a man still, you feel me? But yeah.
How do you organize a space party? You plan it.
True.
They say the early bird gets the worm. In that case, I'm sleeping in. I want pancakes. Hot pancakes. How do cows stay up to date on current events? They read the moose.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I've heard many of those jokes before.
See you, Amanda. See you, Amanda.
What? He was expecting the ball to bounce back. That's funny, bro.
Did you need help with anything?
Who are you? Daddy. Teacup.
Hello, Grandma.
What's the difference between Stephen Hawking and the computer he was hooked up to?
It's gonna be a crazy one.
The computer runs.
That's okay.
How do you make an orphan's hands bleed? Tell them to clap till their parents come home.
These jokes are too dark. No, well, not all of them. Some of them are too dark, bro. Some of them are too dark. How you tell an orphan to clap until their parents come? They'll clap from today to the end of time. These jokes are way too dark, bro. I'm not enjoying these jokes. I mean, I appreciate that jokes, but it gets to a point where I'm like, nah, you need to be a little bit sensitive. You feel me?
Why can't blind people eat fish? Because it's seafood. I used to date a girl with a lazy eye. We broke up because she was seeing people on the side.
That was actually good. That was actually very good. Yeah. Why you spitting like that, my G? There are some good dark jokes, but some are just crazy. Hey, yo, why are they moving so zesty like that, bro? That's the last one. Why did bro come up his behind like that, being so zesty? Why? I would feel violated, man. That's crazy, bro. Get the fuck off my back, man. That's bad. And his hands was like on his waist too, like on his waistline. Chill out, bro. Are you doing the searching or are you doing a different thing? Like, what you want to do? Let me know what's going on so I can have to like prepare myself mentally and physically. You feel me, type shit? Hey, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please do not forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, join the family, join the gang. And yeah, man, I hope to see you guys in the next video, man. And we are out.